Hi guys, if you are looking for a pre-selling or ready for occupancy affordable townhouse here at Trece Martires Cavite, please continue to watch this video. So this is a gated and a secured community here at Trece Martires Cavite. So this will be your vicinity guys. So may mga nakatira na and meron na ring mga for turnover na din. So in front of me guys is a end unit na with 60 square meters na lot area and 44 square meters na floor area. So this will be 2 bedrooms and 1 carport and 1 toilet and bath. So let's check it out. Let's go. So I just want to inform everyone no, nakasama sa turnover yung gate. Yan, kasama na yan. And you have here your pocket garden or your carport, and then we still have a open space now at the side. So this will be your main door. So ang door natin